Janmashtami commemorates the earthly appearance of Krishna, who is described in India's sacred writings as God himself. Across India, festivities begin before dawn and extend all day until midnight, the exact moment of the anniversary of Krishna's arrival. Events include kirtan, singing the Lord's name along with other devotees, and japa, or meditation. Some devotees cook a feast of over 100 dishes, while others perform drama and dance. Some clothe and decorate the deity of Krishna, while others string enormous flower garlands and other decorations for the temple. Finally, at midnight, the priests pull apart the curtains to reveal the freshly dressed deity of Krishna on a creatively festooned and colored altar. The excitement builds and a rousing kirtan ensues.
मधुबन में भले कान्हा किसी को पी से मिले, उनमें तो राधा के प्रेम के हैं फूल खिले। इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले, बिना सोचे समझे, इसलिए राधा जले, इसलिए राधा जले।
Ganesh Chaturthi, also called Vinayak Chaturthi, is a 10-day festival marking the birth of the elephant-headed deity Ganesha, the god of prosperity and wisdom. The worship begins with much fervor and prana-pratishtha, a ritual to invoke life in the idol. Amid the chanting of Vedic hymns from religious texts like Ganesh Upanishad, the idol is anointed with sandalwood paste and yellow and red flowers. His blessings are invoked as he is Vignaharta, the one who removes all obstacles, particularly while embarking on a new journey. Popular festival is particularly celebrated in Bengal, Assam, and other eastern Indian states. Durga Puja celebrates the victory of goddess Durga over the demon king Mahisasur. It begins on the same day as Navratri, a 9/9 festival celebrated all across the country. It also celebrates the ultimate feminine divine energy of the universe, Shakti. Besides the communal and societal significance of Durga Puja, the uniqueness of this festival is the artistic and decorative grandeur with which it is celebrated, especially in eastern parts of India. For its cultural and religious momentousness, Durga Puja has been inscribed on the UNESCO representative list of the intangible cultural heritage. Is India's largest and the most important festival of the year. The festival gets its name from Avani or row of Deepa or clay lamps that Indians light outside their homes to symbolize the inner spiritual light that protects from darkness. Indians celebrate the return of King Rama to Ayodhya after he defeats the demon king Ravana. Over the centuries, Diwali has become a national festival that's also enjoyed and celebrated by non-Hindu communities, commemorating true secularism and diversity. Every region in India has distinctive traditions for observing this festival. However, among all belief systems, Diwali represents the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, and wisdom over ignorance.